Behold, a speaker I bought that time. Hi, my name's Dan. I like to do random things, and today I'm going to show you something I made. One could argue repurposed. I'm going to show you something I repurposed to try and make it useful again. So the speaker you see behind me, that was about 50p from a car boot sale back in the 90s. Yeah, as a child I had friends and toys to play with, but nothing beats an old piece of industrial tech. For the longest time that's just been sat on a shelf, but that's not fair. That's not a useful thing. This old piece of industrial equipment should be useful again. So, what I've done is I've turned that into a Bluetooth speaker. And I'm going to show you how to do the same because it is really, really easy to do. So let's take you over the internals. Firstly, we've got the speaker. Of course we've got the speaker. It's a speaker. Next, you've got the transformer that drives it. This is originally part of a 100 volt line system, which is very, very common in tannoy systems or large industrial premises or large premises where you want to send a sound signal all over a building. So, 100 volt line, definitely not what you'd see in your home stereo. That needs the transformer to step it down. It's this lovely old industrial looking terminal block. And that's about it. So, the components that I added to this. Firstly, here is the Bluetooth circuit board. You can see the little antenna there in the corner. There's 5 volt in and 2 audio channels out, left and right. Now, I only sadly had one audio channel, so I connected it up to the right connector, which is what you use for mono sound in this case. Now, also, there's this regulator board. This will accept a variable input voltage, but it will always output 5. I deliberately added this, not only so that I could use a standard 9 volt battery or 4 AA batteries, which would be 6 volts. Not only did I do it for that reason, but I also thought one day I might want to hook it up to the car, which is 13.8 volts generally. There's a little power switch so I can turn it off without having to unhook the battery, and that's it. The wiring diagram is so simple. It's battery connector goes to regulator goes to the voltage in on the Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth right channel out goes to the speaker. That is how you do it yourself. So simple. Let's try it out. Firstly, get your mobile phone, search for Bluetooth devices, and there it is. What's it called? Bluetooth. Great. Very, very imaginative naming there. You connect it up, you fire up YouTube and search for YouTube-friendly, royalty-free music, and then you sit back and relax in the garden, enjoy.